Something I wanted to talk about real quick. If you have a 4i car and you're trying to take some weight off the front end of it, this is a really popular way to do this. At least it was back in the day. If you're an OG Fox body 4i guy, then I'm sure you're already aware of this. But what these are is, this is a Sylvania factory replacement headlight for the Fox body cars, and they also used them on, you could use them on Crown Vics. I believe the IROC Camaros use these lights, and also maybe the Mopars, the Dodge Daytonas, I believe. But the nice thing about these lights is they're plastic. Sylvania, I think, referred to them as polycarbonate, which is a nice way of saying plastic. So, but they are a direct replacement headlight. And Sylvania doesn't sell these anymore, but I do see them on eBay from time to time. And whenever I go to the junkyard, I'll scrounge around, and I can usually score at least one or two on my trip to the junkyard. So like I said, the old factory style are glass, and these are plastic. So they're lighter than the factory style ones. So it's an easy way, quick and easy way to take a couple pounds off the nose of your car. This one is part number HP4651. It's a 2-prong plug. This one is HP4656. It is a 3-prong plug. I can't remember which one is the high beam and which one is the low beam, but like I said, this was really popular to do back in the day. And if you're an OG guy, I'm sure you probably remember this. And they are still out there, but you have to scrounge around a little bit. And like I said, in the junkyards or whatever, or online, maybe you can find some on eBay. But they go for quite a few bucks on eBay. They're popular with the racers still today. So one thing with buying them used from the junkyard is the lenses over time will get hazy. So as you can see, this lens is clear, and this one's got some haze to it. So what I did is I polished this lens, and this one still needs to be polished, but it's not hard to do, and I made a video on doing that. So I will post the link in the description to that video to show you how I polish the headlights. And they come out really nice, so unless they're really just beat really bad, they polish up pretty well. So for a couple of bucks, it's a simple and effective way to take a few pounds off the nose of your car if you're being weight conscious.